Is your BMW exhaust making strange noises? Here's what it could mean. Strange exhaust noise? Your BMW may have an exhaust problem. Loud roaring? Check for an exhaust leak or damaged muffler. Rattling underneath? A loose heat shield could be the cause. Hissing sound? Inspect the exhaust pipes for cracks or leaks. Metallic buzzing? Check for loose exhaust components. Noise gets louder during acceleration? An exhaust leak may be present. Exhaust smell inside the cabin? Get the system inspected immediately. Deep rumbling sound? The muffler or resonator may be damaged. Check for rust or holes along the exhaust system. Don't ignore unusual sounds. Early inspection can prevent bigger repairs.